What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to go over BitTorrent, guys. We're going to go over the technical analysis. Bitcoin had a bit of a throwback, so we're going to look at the chart for BitTorrent. So we're sitting about 0.09 on the day, and then on the 7-day, about 4.41%. And the market cap sitting at 2.64 billion, and the 24-hour volume 729 million. So let's hop into it, guys. So we're here on the daily chart, and we have had the bullish cross, which is a good sign on the MACD. Now you might see these lines hug a little bit if we start to consolidate and just mess with our minds. But I wanted to show you to you guys here on the 1 day. So you can see we had that breakout, right? And then we hit resistance. We weren't able to break that key level at about 0.0044. Our red wick did come back above it, but then we came back down. And it's crucial that we were to break that resistance, get back above the 20 EMA if we were going to see that continuation here. Now, we do have an ascending triangle. If I take this line out and I put this line in here, we do have an ascending triangle with many of the coins. I popped it up here on Google for you guys, where you fall into this triangle, you consolidate, and you either break to the upside or you break to the downside. This guy who drew this was very bullish, as all of these break out to the upside. So we'll go back here. So we'll put it onto the 4-hour chart just so we can see it a bit better. So you can see here on the 4-hour, we came right up, we hit resistance, and then we roll back. So it's crucial to see support along this trend line here, as I was talking about with Polygon as well, or with Ethereum in my last Polygon video. It would be crucial to see us hit that support and start trending back upwards, because if we fall out of it, guys, then we're going to continue to trend downwards. We'll fall out of this bear pennant here, and then we'll continue to trend down, and you would have some levels of support. Let me pull it up onto the 1 day here. If we were to break down, guys, you have that level of support about 0.003 where these wicks came down to, possibly in that range of 0.003 and 0.0032 if we were to fall out of it. All right, guys, so I'm going to pop it over into the 4-hour chart here. So we're here now on the 1-hour chart. This is a separate chart here, guys. That's why you can see all these lines. I talked about that inverse head and shoulders, and that we had broken the neckline, and this was our price target at about 0.0043. And you can see we came right up to our price target. Now you can see we did quickly extend all the way up to about 0.0045, and then we quickly came back down. But you'll see it time again when you have these patterns that you'll reach your price targets here. So we're here on the hourly, and we're having a bit of resistance here along the EMAs. We do have a bit of a bear pennant forming here on the hourly. So if we were to break down out of this here, we could see a breakdown to that level of support about 0.0036 if we were to break down out of it. Now, guys, we'll also go over the bullish scenario. You can see how much resistance we hit along the golden ratio, 0.004. We broke out, and then we came right back down. All right, guys, so it would be crucial if we were to start creating higher highs and higher lows to break back above the golden ratio and head back up to this level of resistance right here at about 0.0043. Now I'm going to quickly open Bitcoin, because you can see here Bitcoin had a bit of a throwback where it faked this out. It came out and everyone got excited, and I was like, ha, just kidding, and it threw back right into this wedge here. So let's make or break here for Bitcoin over the next couple days when we find out what it decides to do. If we see that confirmation to the upside, or we see it break under, hit resistance, and then break down. And of course, if it does break down and that bear pennant plays out to the downside, it will pull the market with it, including our friend BitTorrent, of course, guys. So keep an eye on this bear pennant here on the hourly. If you start to see it break down out of this, we do have that price target down here at 0.0036. And then if Bitcoin were to recover, if we were to see that breakout, look for your resistance levels, 0.004, 0.0043. And then of course we have those future price targets. I'll pull it up here on the daily. If we do see that recovery, and this is our true bottom, remember, guys, further correction is always possible. If Bitcoin's bearish pennant were to play out, you would see further correction with the entire market. But if this was our true bottom and we started to recover, you do have those future price targets 0.0021, 0.0026, and 0.0037. All right, guys. So that's it for this one, BTT. If you got any value, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. You can follow me on Instagram. As my camera cut me off right at the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love. Take care.